Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I'm always looking for ways to save space in my kitchen and cupboards, and that's one reason that I am loving this Qimh collapsible colander. This is not only collapsible, but the handles also expand in order to accommodate different size sinks. I didn't need to expand it out too much in order to fit the sides of my sink, but it can go up to 22 inches wide. I found this ideal for washing vegetables. It can fit so many inside of it, and then you can just leave them there to drip dry if you want. Of course, this does everything that you'll want a colander to do. If you want to drain vegetables after they've been blanched or cooked in hot liquids or steamed, you can certainly do that. Or it works perfectly for noodles. It's just a great colander altogether. I'm so happy that I was able to replace the colander that I've had for years that was huge and took up tons of room with this one. It's definitely an upgrade, and that's my point of view.